Good day. In this short course, we're going to explain how to add a background, it could be a watermark, it could be graphic, to Microsoft Word. There are 3 ready ways to do this, and let's get to it. First is launch Word. Now we're using the newer versions of Microsoft Word, but these have been around, what we're about to show you has been around for a long time. The first, and what I would say is the wrong way to do it, is to insert a picture and then wash it out. So we'll show you this just so you can realize that there's a better way to do it. Let's go to pictures. You can grab any picture you want. I'm going to just grab a stock image here, just to make this faster. Let's insert that one. There it is. Now I can double click on this and I can go to color and I can go to this filter, which is washout, and that just makes it lighter. I can then resize it. I can do whatever I want to it. I will, however, do a couple of things that you might not expect. If you click on the graphic, you will get this layout option over here, and I'm going to select it as behind the text. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to drag this out to the edges, and you get the idea. Right now, when I start typing, if I start typing in here, there we go. So that's one way to do it. I would say that's the wrong way to go. Okay, the easier ways are to set a watermark. So here's a nice blank document. I'll go to design and either watermark or page color. So watermark's the preferred one. So we'll get to the point here and use that one first, then we'll show you another way, pretty much the same. So click on watermark, go down to custom watermark, click picture watermark, select picture, and I could use a graphic I've got, but again, I'll just use Bing search. And I'll type in, let's use water. How's that? Doesn't make any difference because I'm just trying to do something fun and graphical. I'm going to leave this washout check mark. Actually, I'll leave it on. I'll just click OK, the way it is now. Okay, so there it is. You can see the graphic in the background. I'm going to go back to watermark and I'm going to select custom watermark. And now I can change it. So I'll turn that off, the washout off, and you can see how light it is. And I will also set it to be larger than it is. I'll set it to 500% so it covers the whole page. There we are. Now let me take the washout out because it's too hard for you to see. But trust me, it's there. Maybe set that to 2. Can I set that to 300? You can type in here, by the way. Let's set it to 250 and see what that does. There we go. And washout, again, is just too light on this one. So let me go back to custom watermark. Click OK, there it is. And now I can just start typing and that works. Okay, so that's another way to go. I'll undo all of this, and I'm just doing this by holding the Control-Z, Control-Z, whatever you want to call it. Another way to add the graphic or picture to the background is to, again, select Design, and then select Page Color, and then select Fill Effect, and then select Picture, then select Picture. Clever, huh? Again, you can pull a file, any graphic you've got, or you can do a Bing search. So I'll just do a Bing search, and this time I'll do tech. Let's just see what that. Let's choose TechMan. There it is. So if I was going to write over top of this, I would have to, well, I wouldn't have to, but you can see it's hard to see. I would probably have to change, well, I have to again, but I would probably want to change the text to white, and I would probably want to make it much larger. So, well, let's go with, 24. And just because I'm me, I would also use a different font. I'd probably use Agent FB. There we go. So that's that. So as you can see by using this method, there's no way to readily wash it out. Now, it wouldn't be a big deal if you washed out the graphic yourself and you selected page color, fill effects, picture, selected your washed out version and put it on. Hey, we'd really appreciate it if you would click like and possibly subscribe on this. The thumbs up down below would really help with the Google algorithms. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments section below. We'll get back to you, or somebody else will. And you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech, that's urtech.ca. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.